Hi, everybody. It's kind of a rainy, gloomy day here in central Indiana, so I thought it would give me a chance to show everybody what I got from FedEx today. Yay. If you haven't watched We Bought an Apple Watch video yet, you need to go watch it. Yeah, go ahead and watch it right now. I'll wait. Okay, everybody back now. Seriously. When we went to the Apple store, we went to get Lori an Apple Watch. And in that video, I also showed everybody the AirPods, which I wanted. Oh, excuse me. Had to order them because they were sold out. And now, a couple of weeks later, they're here. So I thought I would do an unboxing and we'll see what they look like. I even get into this thing. Oh, I guess it's right there. And that's what they look like. And the back side. So we'll just slice this open. You gotta admit, I know not everybody in the world buys Apple products, but they just have the best boxes ever. Come on, you can do it. A little bit more. I guess I gotta help it. And let's see what we got in here. We've got a folder designed by Apple in Cupertino, California. And instructions. I'll read those later. And the AirPods themselves. It really is a lot smaller than I expected. Come on. All right, there we go. That's the case. Anything else in the box? A new charging cable. But no Apple sticker. Oh, well, I guess one can't have everything. We can open that later. I got a lot of charging goods. Anyway, you open the case, and that's what they look like. The case serves as a battery pack to keep them charged. That is pretty cool. Anyway, I got to get these charged up. And then when we come back, we'll see how they work. See you later. All right, I'm back. AirPods are all charged up now. My phone. Just hold the AirPods up by the phone and open the door. And just like that, they're connected. Oh, that's cool. It also says what the charge is on the case and what the charge is on each of the AirPods. That's really cool. So we'll just try them on here. Oh, it plays a tone when you put it in your ear. That is very good. All right. Yeah, let's find some music. I realize you guys won't be able to hear this, but I can tell you how good it is, I guess. If I was music, where would I be? How about right there? Well, I can't find my music, so I'll just play that. Oh, wow. Wow, the sound quality is really good. Much better than the wired ones. A little bit more bass, I think. If you want to talk to Siri, you can just double tap the side of it, and Siri will come on in your ear. Never mind. Yes, you. That's also how you answer a telephone call. If you listen to music, you take one of them out, your music pauses. You want to talk to somebody, you put it back in, it starts back up right from where it was. That is a really good feature. You take both of them out, it'll stop the music altogether. All in all, while they are a little pricey, really good wireless earbuds. I think I'm going to like them a lot better than the wired ones. If I'd be out working in the yard, I would all the time be catching the wire on something, pull it out of my ear. Anyway, that's my unboxing and review of the Apple AirPods. And the camera just fell over. Oops. I will see all you guys later. Have a magical day.